Hello, my name's Stanley. Sometimes success depends not on what you add, but on what you remove. I discarded dozens of methods and kept 2 indicators that became my guideposts. With them, every decision became easier and the results more stable. And today I'll explain how they work and why they are sufficient for confident steps. But before we start, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So, let's begin. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the OSMA and the Keltner channel. Let's configure the Keltner channel first. Set multiplier to 2. Go to Style. Set background to white. Let's set bottom to yellow with a width of 2. And let's set the top line to turquoise, width 2. Set the middle line to white with a width of 2 and save. Next we configure the OSMA. Let's set the signal period to 5. Set the fast period to 10. Set the slow period to 20. Go to Style. Let's change the color to yellow and move opacity to the right. And save. So the indicators are ready to go. Friends, if you trade on your phones, configure everything in the same way. I'm starting the session with a clear opportunity. The expiration time is 2 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. Now I'll explain in detail how to use this strategy correctly so as not to miss strong signals. So, the first thing to pay attention to is the Keltner channel indicator. When the candles cross its upper border from top to bottom and start moving down, this is a clear sign that the upward momentum has ended and a downward movement is beginning on the chart. This moment often becomes the starting point for a reversal and sets the direction of the trend. And next we look at the OSMA indicator. Here it's clear that the columns have changed direction from upward to downward. And this is a second confirmation that reinforces the confidence that the trend has indeed changed and the downward movement will continue. Great start! I'm getting $1,840 in profit. I can already feel that today's going well. Do you want to see how experienced traders analyze the market every day and get new ideas for trading? Then please join my free Telegram channel. We share strategies, discuss trades, and support each other. If something in this video is unclear, please write to me and I'll help you figure it out. The link to the channel is in the description, so please come and grow with us. On Telegram, you'll find relevant tips and recommendations for confident trading. Next, a new scenario opens up. I'm setting the expiration time to 2 minutes and opening a short trade for $2,000. After a confident rise, the market gradually begins to lose ground. The movement noticeably loses speed, the candles become shorter, and the momentum looks increasingly weakened. This picture clearly indicates that buyers have lost some of their strength and sellers are beginning to take the initiative. Such signs of a fading momentum often herald a reversal or a deep correction. Judging by the current dynamics, the probability of a decline increases significantly, so I expect that the further development of the movement will bring profit. Let's see. A remarkable result. Another $1,840 in profit. The balance is growing steadily and my confidence is growing even stronger. A fresh signal has just appeared on the chart. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. After a prolonged downward movement on the chart, it becomes apparent that the previous momentum has completely lost its strength. The candles no longer show confident pressure from sellers, and the dynamics look incredibly sluggish and uncertain, I would say. At this point, signs of a change in direction begin to appear more and more often. Buyers are gradually becoming more active and taking the initiative, and the candles are forming the first clear signals of growth, and the structure of the movement indicates the emergence of a new momentum. Thus, the downtrend has run its course, and now the strength of the uptrend is becoming more apparent, which is capable of turning the market around and giving rise to sustained growth. Ideal execution. The balance increased by $1,840. So, the session is going exactly as planned. The final moment of the day looks promising. I am setting the timer for 2 minutes and opening a long trade for $2,000. After a confident test of the support level, the chart shows a reversal and begins to form a steady upward wave. The candles rise steadily, creating a neat and easy-to-read pattern on the chart, which indicates the strength of buyers and the stability of the new momentum. This development clearly shows that buyers have completely taken the initiative from sellers. The upward movement looks stable, smooth, and at the same time quite powerful. The candles are forming confidently without noticeable pullbacks or chaotic fluctuations. All this reinforces the confidence that the uptrend will continue to develop, maintaining its momentum and paving the way for new levels of growth. Let's see. And I'm ending the day on a high note. There's another $1,840 in profit. So my balance reached $19,414, which is a truly impressive result. Let's sum up. My balance has grown from $12,054 to $19,414. All trades were confident, and I'm happy with the result. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!